welcome back to my channel. Today I have filmed this sort of pumpkin spice Christmassy festive look getting into Christmas. I know I've been very MIA, I've been super busy, but I'm trying to get back into it and try to do some more Instagram posts as well. But yeah, I hope you guys really will enjoy this tutorial, just something a little bit different, a little bit of glam. No. I hope you guys just really enjoy it, and if you do like this video, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell everybody, you know, we want to grow, we really want to grow. But yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video and check out my Instagram. I'll leave it down below, it's just Vitelli. But yeah, if you guys want to find out how to create this makeup look right here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start I'm going to be taking my Napoleon Purtis Gold Primer and just applying that all throughout my skin, and then my NYX Angel Veil to blur the pores and smooth my skin's texture just around my cheeks, forehead, nose and chin. I love this primer, you guys, oh my god. Then I'm going to take my favourite foundations ever, my Maybelline Superstay, my Inglot HD and my Fenty, and mix them all together to create this flawless base. It is more full coverage, but I love that. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my under eyes, forehead, chin, and then I'll blend all of that out with my damp beauty blender as well. I love the coverage of this concealer, it's really hydrating, but still gives quite nice coverage. And I'm going to take my NYX HD concealer just to contour my skin. So I'm going to do my cheeks, forehead and nose. I love this concealer because it's really easy to blend out, and then you can easily blend it out all together with your beauty blender. But I like to take my Zoeva Angled Contour Foundation brush and really work that into the skin. And then just blend everything so it's nice and seamless before we go in with some liquid glue. So this is my Cover FX liquid illuminated drops. So I like to blend this out with my finger and then go over it with the beauty blender to mold it into my skin. And for powder today, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in Fair Light. This is my absolute favorite powder at this moment. It's so finely milled and it just makes your skin so blurred and just so flawless. I absolutely love it. So I like to press it into the skin with a damp beauty blender as well. Again, under eyes, chisel your contour, chin, just everywhere, just to kind of blend it all together. And then I take my Inglot loose setting powder just to bake my nose and smile lines, and my MAC Studio Fix powder to set the rest of my skin. So I'm going to take my Mecca Max setting spray, and this is absolutely my favourite setting spray at the moment. It smells divine. It's so beautiful. And then I like to go in with my Rimmel Good to Glow Good to Glow bronzer. It's more of a warm tone, so it just gives a bit of glow to the skin. And then I go in with my, I think this is my Kiss All About Beauty brush with my Urban Decay Beach bronzer, just to contour underneath the bronzer. And then I blend it all out with my beauty blender. And then again spray just to make sure all the powders mold together. And then for brows, I like to take my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Crayon just to lightly fill it in. And then I take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown just to add a little bit more definition to the brow. I love these two together. I feel like for my brows at the moment, it's really working for me. I like more of a defined brow. And I like to take it on my Zoeva, I think it's the brow brush. I forget which collection it's from, but I'll list it down below. It's absolutely amazing. I've got a lot of the brushes from them and they are incredible. And then I'm just cleaning up my brows with the Instant Age Rewind concealer that I use for my under eyes. Just a small concealer brush just to define the brows. Now for eyes, I'm going to take my absolute favourite palette. It's the JACLYN Morphe palette. And just taking that warm orange tone just throughout the crease, add a little bit of a definition for my transition shade. And then this beautiful red ochre sort of shade to define it a little bit more just in the crease. And I think I take it in the outer corner, yes. In the outer V, just to add again more definition and a little bit of depth. And then I'm just popping a little bit of a little bit of loose powder just to clean up the angle of the eyeshadow. I find that that's a really good technique to kind of keep the shape together without it looking too blurred. And then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions eyeshadow palette and this beautiful deep orange, burnt orange shade, really pressing that into the outer V of the eye just to create the darkest bit of depth before we go in with the beautiful lid shade. So really make sure you pack that on and then you can start to blend out. So I'm just taking some of my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer just to cut the crease on a concealer brush. And then I'm going to be going in with some Too Faced Glitter Primer. I think that's what I use. I'll just have a look. So once we've cut that out, then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia new glitter. I'll have to leave the name in the comments down below. Oh my gosh, guys, it's absolutely incredible. Oh, love it. I'm just getting a bit of that outer V shade and just blending the two together where I've popped the concealer and the colour, just so it's nice and blended before we pop the glitter on. So yeah, the Too Faced glitter glue, popping that all over where I cut the crease. And then going in with the gold glitter, it's absolutely incredible. It's so finely milled as well, it's absolutely beautiful. So I'll just pack that on with a flat shader brush, just all over where I cut the crease. Just really make sure it's nice and even. Absolutely love it, you guys. And just taking again some of the outer V colour and blending the glitter with the outer V so it's nice and blended. And I just done my other eye, and now I'm going in with my Essence Waterproof Liquid Ink Liner just to create a thin line next to my lash line before we pop some lashes on. I really like this liquid liner as well, it really stays on, it definitely is waterproof, and it's inexpensive as well, which is incredible. I'm going to take my favourite lashes ever, the Glam Stellar lashes. I literally love these lashes so much, they're so beautiful, they're so wispy and really just open up the eyes. So there we go, you guys. And for the bottom lash line, I'm taking that red ochre shade and popping that with a Zoeva bullet brush just all under my lash line and really smoking it out. And again, just popping some translucent powder underneath so we don't muck up our concealer. And then some more of that orange shade and blending everything together. And I'm using my favourite lower lash mascara, the Rimmel Lash Accelerator, just to define my lower lash line. And I've really been loving these two colours from the JACLYN Hill palette as my highlight. I've completely forgotten that I had those two colours in there for a highlight. I've always been using MAC Nylon, but I thought I'd change it up, and oh my god, I was so pleasantly surprised. And then this looks really weird, but I just popped my Essence black eyeliner in the tight line and the lower lash line and then smoked it all out. And again, just making sure my bronzer's there because it got a little bit lost. I'm going to be taking my NYX HD blush in Hamptons and really adding a bit of extra flush of colour to the skin. My favourite highlighter ever, which is Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Oh my god, I could bathe in this. It's incredible. Obsessed. And And again, taking my setting spray from Mecca and just spraying my skin generously. I love it. And I'm taking my Benefit Gimme Brown shade number 3 and just brushing that through the brows. And for lips, I'm taking my Huda Beauty in Venus. Alright guys, so this is the final result right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I love like these colours on the eyes, like the warm oranges and like a sparkle of gold. I really love it. And it was really easy with the shadows that I used, like the Huda Beauty and the Anastasia glitter I'm just obsessed with. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it down below if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel as well if you would like. No pressure. But yeah, and I'll leave my Instagram down below. It's just Vitelli. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any video requests or anything you want to see throughout Christmas time. Let me know down below. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!